Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw the figure of a small girl. Make a huge triangle at the center of the page. That looks perfect. At the tip of this triangle, make a big circle. Both the circle and triangle need to be in equal proportion, which means equal size. Now make two curved ponytails on each side of the head. Place a rubber band bow. Good job! Now let her arms extend out from the shoulders. Make two straight lines with a fist which is closed. Similarly, make two long legs with closed shoes. Finish it with two smiling eyes, a wide smile and a pointed nose. Color. A dress can be in any color. Use your imagination and color it as per your vision. We have chosen red with matching red bows. Use skin color on her face and fists. Use the shade of brown to color her hair. For shoes, we are using a bright yellow. Every girl is special. She can make decisions and be a leader. She can choose to use good words and reveal her great mind and gain knowledge to succeed. Show this wonderful figure of a girl to everyone around you.
Stay tuned to Bachacha box. Happy hours for kids.